Sidi Barrani in Egypt and Gaborone in Botswana. Both lies on longitude 25.9 degree east, on 25.9 degree east. Their latitudes are 31.6 degree north and 24.8 degrees south, respectively. Calculate the shortest distance between the towns. Alright, let's solve this problem too. Let's solve this problem. Solutions. The diagram first. If this is the shape of the Earth's surface, this is the axis of the Earth's surface. If this is the equator of the Earth's surface, that is the latitude at the center of the Earth, equator. This is the north, this is the south, this is east, and this is west. So this Egypt, which is Sidi Barrani, and Gaborone in Botswana, they both lie on longitude 25.9 degree. So we have this 25.9 degree. 25. Longitude 25.9 degree east. Their latitudes are 31.6 degree north. 31.6 degree north. And 24.8 degree south. Okay. If we have latitude above the equator is north. That is latitude 31.6 degree north. So this is the meeting point. Let's call this one out Sidi Barrani S. At the same time, that of the south, the latitude below the equator. Latitude below the equator is what? Is at the southern part. That is latitude south. So latitude south. So let's call this latitude 24.8 degrees south. So this is what? Let's call it G. And don't forget this is 0, our center. This is 0. So we have something like this and something like this. And don't forget this is 0. So here to here is 31.6 degree. And here to here is 24.8 degree. So for layman, we have something like this. This is what we have. This is X, this is 0, and this is G. This is 31.6, and this is 24.8. So you can see the sum of everything will give us what? Our angle. So that's what we're going to say. Our theta is equals to 31.6 degree plus 24.8 degree. And that will give us, if you press your calculator, that will give us 56.4 degree. But the question is asking us to calculate the shortest distance between the towns. So this is going to give us the shortest distance truly, because the longest distance is by what? Passing this place. Like someone is passing through this place. To here. Look at this one. Let's use layman. These are GL. So the shortest distance is this place. Can you see? It's this place. And the longest distance is this place. It's this place. It's this place. So for us to determine the longest distance, the longest distance, we're going to subtract this angle from 360. That's the longest distance. But when it's asking us to find the shortest distance. So when you're asking to find the shortest distance, just make sure your angle is not up to 180 degree, because 180 is the half of the angle at the center. So when your angle is not up to 180, that means you are looking for the shortest. But when your angle is above 180, that means that's the longest distance. And when your angle is 180 exactly, so you don't have long, you don't have short, it shows that is halfway. So our SG equals to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Why am I using capital R also? Because the journey is along the great circle. It's along the great circle because it's along the longitude great circle. So that's what we have 56.4 over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times 6,400. And we give us, if you press your calculator very well, that gives us what? 6270 kilometer. 6270 kilometer. Thank you.